Hey everyone, we're excited to unbox our new sanding disc kit. I've got some blades from our lawnmower that we need to sharpen, so we're going to go ahead and show you how we do that with this kit. Let's see what this kit comes with. You get two different size backing pads. This is the 3-inch one and it's the larger of the two. We're actually going to go ahead and assemble this so we can use this with our drill. We're going to be using our Bosch drill, but this should fit any standard power drill, including die grinders and other rotary tools. And the kit also comes with quite a collection of sanding discs, 120 in total. And they have different grits ranging from 80 all the way up to 3000 grit. For sharpening the blades on our lawnmower today, we're actually going to go ahead and select two grits, an 80 grit, which is pretty coarse, and then we're going to finish off with a 400 grit, which is finer. So let's go ahead and attach the 80 grit to our sanding disc. The back of it sticks on like Velcro, and then we'll go ahead and insert it into our power drill. It should snap in very easily. Okay, so we've removed one of the blades from our lawnmower already, and it's firmly clamped down onto our work table. It's looking really dull and worn out, so we'll go ahead and start sanding it down. We're using the 3-inch sanding disc size with an 80 grit. The 3-inch sanding disc works perfectly for this blade, but would also be suitable for larger surface areas. And we started with the 80 grit, which is a coarse grit, because we want to remove any residue and buildup stuck on the blade, as well as remove any nicks or chips on the blade. And you can already see the 80 grit is already beginning to do its job. And now we're going to go ahead and attach the 400 grit to smooth out the edges of the blade and polish it up so it's as sharp as possible. And by the way, the sanding kit is not just for sharpening blades. We'll be using this kit for removing rust, removing old paint from a table, for grinding the outer layer of a tree stump we're going to turn into a stool. We're also going to use it with the sponge sander for polishing our car. So there's tons of use we're going to get out of this kit. And now check out this blade. It's looking much sharper and it's ready for mowing our lawn.